Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So on my last video I talked a little bit about some simple tips and tricks on how to start your DevOps and overall IT career. So I wanted to add a little about what was already said. On the last video I shared that courses were the best way to start. So to start off, I would say that AWS is nicest places to start, and I think it would be if you think about the best certification that will give you right away some type of reward. I would for sure start with AWS's courses. And what certification do you ask? So the certificate, something that you can start with is the basic stuff. I would say go into the cloud practitioner certification. If you are not familiar with cloud at all. Another certification you can take is on Azure. Azure also has really interesting certifications for beginners. Certifications like the beginner certification for Azure, the AZ900 certification would be maybe the best one for beginners, and I think it would benefit a lot if you want to learn the basics. Regarding Google certifications for their clouds, there are also some interesting options. The beginner certification for Google is also a good one to try it out, and it's something that you can look for if you are interested in Google. You can also have courses. You can take courses on Udemy. I've prepared myself for the Terraform certification on Udemy. I first done one or two courses there to familiarize myself with the questions and the topics. And after a lot of study, I've basically failed the certification. It's quite normal for that to happen, and if for sure all of that costs money, but if you have money for the second round, you should do it, because it's very important to have if you are applying to jobs. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video.